Hi and welcome to section 1.3, example 2. So in this section we're looking at geometric sequences. So in this case the terms multiply by a certain number instead of add by a certain number. So this first one is talking about using a photocopier to make something smaller. So you start with a length of 25 centimeters. And the smallest size that it can do is 67% of the original. So it can go to basically 0.67 times the original size each time. What's the shortest possible length of a photograph after 5 reductions? Okay, so basically if we do this 5 times, how small can it become? Okay, so here we have T1 equals 25 centimeters. R, right, so it's 67% of the size, right, so we express that as 0.67 as a decimal. Okay, and then what we're looking for is after 5 reductions. Well, the first one, right, is 25. So if we do 5 reductions, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we actually have 6 terms. So n would be 6, and what we're looking for here is the 6th term. Okay, because the first one again isn't actually a reduction. The first one is the actual size of it, and then we do 5 reductions after that. So our formula, right, for this is Tn equals T1 times R to the n minus 1. So in this case, we have that formula because it's geometric. We're multiplying by something. We're not adding something each time. So we go T6 equals 25 centimeters times by R, which is 0.67, then to the 6 minus 1. So just working this out, the intermediate steps, 25 centimeters. This is 0.67 to the power of 5, so you use your x to the y button, right? It should look something like that on your calculator, or y to the x on some of them, or on some of them even just an up arrow like that. And that works out to be 0.1350, and then working that all out, we get 3.4 centimeters. So after 5 reductions, we can make the shortest possible length to be 3.4 centimeters.